Traders. Today I'm going to start the market update video. I am in the BTC USDT chart. You can see market is going parallel channel in the parallel channel. Uh, this like this is like a bear flag, but you can see a beginning bullish flag. I will draw it. This is a beginning bullish flag, and this is a huge bear flag, and in the bullish flag, flagging in the bear flag. So therefore, market can be we reach this bear flag, this parallel channel upper level, and then so I have a nice interesting topic and BTC yearly chart. We can move to yearly 12 months chart and logarithmic. Find the following and replace. Now you can see all uptrends have a pretty bullish yearly candle and then create a bearish candle. Now this bull market is something different. There is a indecision candle. Actually, this is a doji candle. Therefore, this is a different situation in the previous market types. And you can see a bull market after a three green candle after create a red candle. But now two green candle after create a red candle. This is something different situation. This candle finished. This candle will be finished after 8 hours. So that is an interesting topic. We can move to daily chart and rolling again. Then we can move to Ethereum chart. Now you can see bearish. Actually, not a bearish. This is a falling wedge pattern. This is a falling wedge pattern, and market is break out this falling wedge and retest. Then I entered this trade. Actually, not only breakout trade. Actually, there is a support area. Therefore, I entered this trade, and not only that, we can see a morning star candlestick pattern. So I have a three confirmations. Therefore, I entered this trade. So next, XRP USDT chart. Now you can see falling wedge pattern and small bullish flag, but there is a resistance area. You can see market was down this resistance area. Then market is there is a bullish engulfing candles, but there is a resistance area. Therefore, this trade has a scary situation. So next, I'm in Sol USDT chart. Actually, I entered the trade this bullish engulfing candle was when bullish engulfing candle create, but market is down. Then my stop loss was hit. So when I have free confirmation and I was entered this trade, there are again. So you can see a bullish bull flag, but this bull flag not yet confirmed bull flag because there is few candles. If create two candles after that is a good bull flag. So today I stop my market update video. Please subscribe. Thank you.